Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve matrices, multiplication of matrices using your Casio 991ES calculator. Alright, this calculator can perform so many functions and I want to show you how to use it to not just work during exams but help yourself save time. Now, let me walk you through it. For instance, we have a question that says given A is equal to 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 3, 2, and B equals to a 3 by 3 matrix, which we have here. They said given that Cij is equals to AB, we should find C12. So the first thing you know is Cij was defined to be AB, which means the multiplication of matrix A and matrix B. Now, how do we do that? Let's multiply matrix A and matrix B. So this is multiplication of matrices. So the first thing, I on my calculator. I want to be sure that the calculator is clear. So I press shift, I'll press number 9. My calculator is showing clear, so I'll clear all, which is 3. I'll press equals to, which is to clear all, AC. Now, to multiply the matrices, I'll press mode. I'll move to matrix number 6. Number 1 says matrix A, so that means which matrix am I going to store the first matrix? I stored it in matrix A. Now the next thing is the matrix is a 2 rows and 3 columns matrix, so it is a 2 by 3 matrix. I'll press 2 by 3 is 4. I'll press 4. Now I begin storing my matrix. My first value in that matrix is 1, second is 2, third is 3. Then I have 1 minus 1 and 2. Now what I'm doing to store the values is after pressing each value, I press equal to so that it will appear right in the matrix, which is what we have there. Now I'll press my AC key. Then I press shift. And number 4, at the top of number 4 is showing matrix 4. Now the reason I'm doing this is so that I can store my values for the other matrix. Doing it straight away might give us issues, so let's do it this way to store the second matrix. Now number 4, we'll press shift, we'll press matrix, and then we'll go to data. Data is number 2. Now we want to store matrix B. I'll press number 2. Now the second matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix, so this is 3 by 3 is number 1. I press 1. Now I begin storing my values. 1. Remember, you press 2. Then after I pressing the second value, after I press the value, you press equals to, it appears there. So 2. The next values I have is 50. Right there. Then I have 0. I have minus 3. Look at it. Minus 3. I press equals to, it goes there. 14. It goes there. I have minus 1. 2 and 10. Now I've stored both matrices. I need to multiply the matrix because Cij was defined to be AB. Then multiplying both matrices together, I press AC first, then I press shift, I press number 4 again, matrix. Now I'll write matrix A on my screen, which is 3 times shift matrix, and then the next thing is matrix B, which is number 4. Now, the thing is, if you do matrix B times matrix A, you will not get an answer because it doesn't satisfy what you need to multiply matrices. But we just need to follow the instruction we're given, matrix A times matrix B. Now, pressing equals to give us directly the results we should have. So then AB, which is the multiplication of matrix A and matrix B, gave me my results, which is the result I have for AB is equal to is a 2 by 3 matrix. Now the first value I have here is minus 2. I have 2. I have 108. I have minus 1. I have 9. I have 56. And this is my values for AB. Now the question said we should look for C12. C12 means row 1, column 2. So the first number is for row. The second number is for column. So row 1 is this is row 1. Then the second column is this. So this is row 1 and this is column 2. And my value for C12 is 2. So C12 is equal to 2. So that's how you do multiplication of matrices. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.